Hey guys, Logan here. Welcome back to another video. I haven't posted a video in ages, but today I'm going to be doing a couple unboxings. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Pikachu at EX Red and Blue collection. It's a trading card game set. Yeah, I wanted the Pikachu one. So let's just open this box up. Look how shiny it is. Shiny ones are the best. And there is the what's it called? Online code thing, which will be up by the time I put this. But yeah, there's 4 packs of generation cards. This is a celebrating 20 years of Pokemon. Or Pokemon. I know it's pronounced Pokemon, but it's all the different ones. And then that. So yeah. That's awesome. So let's open up the decks. Swablu, I don't know how to pronounce all their names. Haunter, I have him on Pokemon Go. Another Clayster, another Pikachu, Caterpie, Energy, Meowth. Whoa, that is so cool. Wow, that's cool too. That is awesome. Charmeleon. Mine, an Energy, that's still cool though. Charmander, oh he looks so cute. Trainer, Ghastly, I have him. I have him on Pokemon Go. Energy. Geodude, I'm pretty sure I have him on Pokemon. Max Revive. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing. And I'll see you next time. Let me know if you want me to do more Pokemon unboxings. I've been getting Pokemon cards since, like, I started around Christmas. I just don't do openings, because I don't know if anybody will watch them, but since now I might do them. Let me know if you want me to, or what sets you want me to look at. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.